Hello, I'm Carl with EMC. If you're looking for a better way to manage and deliver virtual desktops to your end users, you're certainly not alone. More and more businesses are looking to virtualize their end user computing environments. If you're like most businesses, your IT department has grown up over time, and growing up over time means you probably added a lot of different hardware, a lot of different OSs. This is very difficult to ensure security, compliance. Patching and upgrading it is a nightmare. Probably puts a lot of burden on your IT staff in terms of human resources and budget. You can ask yourself, what if you could easily provision storage for 1,000 virtual desktops in a few clicks? What if you could boot that 1,000 virtual machines in under 8 minutes? What if you could back up and recover your entire virtual environment from a single UI? Well, with EMC's end user computing solutions with VMware, you can. Our joint solutions are simple, efficient, powerful, and provide freedom to your end users and control to your IT department. EMC's end user computing solutions will help you speed your IT transformation by providing you the flexibility that you need today, but also the scale that you need to address future business needs. EMC's end user computing solutions bring together the best of breed technologies for VMware with EMC's VNX and EMC's Avamar. All these systems working together will help you manage and protect your virtual desktop environment. These solutions are tested, validated, and documented in reference architectures, as well as proven solution guides that leverage the entire EMC portfolio. Now, EMC's end-user computing solutions enable you to transform your aging, costly physical infrastructure into a more streamlined virtual server environment. And once you have that server virtual environment defined, you can easily layer on top your end-user computing solution. In addition, EMC with our partners have joint services and solutions that will help you plan, design, implement, and then optimize your end-user computing environment. And now let's talk about that solution that will put a smile on your end user's face and free up your IT department. Now, at the heart of any virtualization solution is, of course, the hypervisor. And EMC have tested and pre-validated VMware View on vSphere. VMware and EMC have over 75 points of integration, which means that you can leverage the power of VMware's APIs, such as VASA, which is VMware's API for storage awareness, and VAAI, which is VMware's API for array integration. This means that you can actually see where the VMs sit with respect to the storage, and vice versa. It breaks down the barriers and gives the IT department greater transparency into their environment than ever before. Now let's talk about the storage. EMC will provide you with reference architectures and proven solutions that will help you provide the blueprints for picking the right storage for your virtualized environment. And that storage, of course, is VNX. VNX is EMC's unified storage platform. Unified because you can have SAN and NAS in the same system. It also supports multi-protocols and different device types. Now, when you think about virtualizing your desktop infrastructure, usually you factor in 40% of the cost, and that's attributed to storage. But with EMC VNX, you can save up to 50% on those upfront costs with built-in efficiencies. The efficiencies are thin provisioning, compression, and deduplication. Now, another issue that faces many traditional virtual desktop environments is this concept of boot storms. Boot storms occur when many virtual machines come up at the same time. They really tax the system. But with VNX and EMC's Fast Cache, it can help you alleviate those concerns by absorbing 80% of the IOs. So with a handful of enterprise flash drives in the system, it can really give you the efficiency that you need to sort of circumvent those issues. If you had to do this with an equivalent traditional array, you'd have to add hundreds of SAS drives to get the same performance. So with Fast Cache, it increases your performance and also lowers your costs in terms of cooling, power, and floor space. Now lastly, the VNX supports the VSI. The VSI is a free plugin for your IT department to add into their virtual center. And VSI means that you can provision storage directly from the vCenter with all of the built-in efficiencies that VNX comes with. All right, now let's talk a little bit about the backup. The backup